The 2008 GS350. The GS350 boasts a 3.5-liter V6 with a 303 horsepower output under its hood. Yet this beautifully built car remains a luxury sedan first and foremost with its plush interior, high-tech amenities, and impressive standard equipment, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: CD changer, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, keyless entry, keyless start, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, floor mats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, universal garage door opener, climate control. Your new ride is just a phone call away.